Hey my busy bumblebees, welcome to OT Closet. This is Miss Olga, occupational therapist. Let's do some warm-ups so your hands are ready for writing. All you need is 2 pencils, and when we're done, we'll open the Kinder Egg. Hold the pencil in the middle using your right hand. Use your fingers and spin it in a circle, pretending it's a helicopter. Let's use your left hand now. Take your other pencil and do it with both. All around the mulberry bush, the monkey chased the weasel. The monkey thought was... Pretend your pencil is a ladder. Use the space between your thumb and index finger. Squeeze it tight. Go up, then down. Climb the ladder using your index fingers by hooking them on the pencil. Now use both middle fingers. Ring fingers are next. All around the mulberry bush, the monkey chased the weasel. The monkey thought was... And finally, use your pinky. Pretend our fingers are sliding down the slide. Use your thumb and index fingers. Slide down, flip the pencil over, and slide down again. 10 seconds. You can do it. The monkey thought it was all in good fun. Pop goes the weasel. A penny for a spool of thread, a tuppence for a needle. Slide down using your thumb and middle fingers. Pop goes the weasel. Switch to your thumb and ring fingers. Now use your thumb and pinkies. Pop goes the weasel. A penny for a spool of thread, a tuppence for a needle. That's the way the money goes. Let's roll your pencil between thumb and index finger of your right hand. 10 seconds. Go. Switch to your thumb and middle finger. Thumb and ring finger. And finally, thumb and pinky. The monkey thought it was all in good fun. Pop goes the weasel. Use your left hand and roll your pencil back and forth using your thumb and index finger. Thumb and middle finger. Pop goes the weasel. A penny for a spool of thread, a tuppence for a needle. That's the way the money goes. Pop goes the weasel. Thumb and ring finger. And finally, thumb and pinky. Monkey chased the weasel. The monkey thought was all in good fun. Amazing warm-up, guys. Let's see what's inside the Kinder Egg. It's a bunny.
Goes the weasel.
Thanks for playing with me. I'll see you next time. Bye.